Hey guys, this is Akhilesh Singh and welcome to my channel. It's been a long time and today I'm over here in Manali and this is the first time that I'm over here in the Manali and every time I be to a place which is first for me, I'm totally stoked. I totally love it and very much excited about the place. And so right now I'm in this beautiful apple orchard and most of the apples have been harvested and there are none, but however there is one tree over there and that one has some of the apples. I'm gonna show you around. So this is really beautiful place. So I'm not for a long period of time over here, like just for a couple of days. So I'll be covering like main Manali, old Manali cafes and Harimba temple, and there is one waterfall that is Jana one of waterfall, and those guys over there serve authentic Himachali food, so I'm gonna try that. Totally stoked about it. It's amazing. Weather is clear. I was like, it's gonna rain like cats and dog, but it's quite sunny and it's beautiful. Let me show you. Let me show you that. Hey guys, so right now I'm at Casa Bella Vista. You can see over here. This painting is beautiful and this place is amazing. They serve like a pizza from wood burning oven and they are just amazing. Awesome. So one of my friend Tanya, she told me about this place and it's really incredible, and I saw like pizza being made and that was totally stunning, and I'll just gonna show you everything and like, and the link for my friend's channel would be there down below. If you are a traveler, that is a great place to go. Yes. Hey guys, so I reached to Manali. I was like walking on old Manali roads. They were like kind of the same. I thought that they are, and then now I went outside in the night time and it's totally different. The vibes are totally amazing. I'm gonna show you, and it's amazing, and like I feel like I am somewhere else, place like I haven't seen anywhere. So there are all over there are the music, people are chilling. It's really dope and amazing. Let me show you. Hey guys, so finally I am at Jogni waterfall. That is the waterfall. I'll just show you, and this is really beautiful. All over there is a pine tree, and to reach over there is a track about half an hour depending upon your speed. And they like, let me show you. Like from there, you have to like track like below that tree. Behind that, there is a track that goes till the shaft of that waterfall, and there are rocks. You can't go quite near to the waterfall until you swim. It's quite beautiful, actually. And then this is the waterfall. The upper shaft of the waterfall can be reached via another track. That is this one. You have to come back a little and take another route to reach to the upper part of that waterfall. This mountain of Jogni waterfalls looks like Yosemite National Park. That kind of sort feel is there. And there's this beautiful lady selling tea and water, biscuits if you want to buy it. She's living from a long time. आंटी आप कब से रह रहे हैं यहाँ पर? क्या बात? आप कब से रह रहे हो यहाँ पर? कितने टाइम से रह रहे हैं यहाँ पर?
6 बजे।
6 साल?
6 बजे तक।
नहीं कितने टाइम से यहाँ हो? कितने सालों से?
जब तक यहाँ शादी किया ना तब तक।
शादी कब कितने साल पहले हुई थी आपकी?
बच्चे भी हो गए मेरे।
नहीं वैसे कितने साल पहले?
60 साल पहले।
60 साल पहले? अभी आप कितने साल के?
अभी 60 से ज़्यादा हो गया।
60 से ज़्यादा हो गया? अभी आप यंग तो लग रहे, जवान एकदम।
जान का।
So I'm at Jana waterfall. It's really beautiful. The sound of a fall was really loud, so I'm a little bit ahead from that place. This place is really amazing. Kind of a secluded place, and it should remain like that. It was totally beautiful. All the way there was so many apple orchards. Like the apples feels like that. All the apples in the world coming from here, they are that much amount. This is so amazing. So the main reason to come over here at Jana village and particularly Jana falls is to taste the local Himachali food. This place is pretty much popular for that, and all the food that they have are grown organically in their own farms, and they cook it in a wood burning stove, so that is like beautiful. It's better to come to this place in off seasons like nowadays, so not much people are there, and you can like easily enjoy the tranquility of this place and the amazing Himachali local food. It's totally stunning.
सिर्फ चीनी, नमक, गुड़ ये जाते हैं लेके
बाहर से।
हाँ ये तो दुकान पे।
my last day in Manali, and in afternoon I have my bus back to my hometown. And ow, move. And I had couple of hours to spare over here, so I came to this place. This is Van Vihar Nature Park. This is beautiful. You can see huge trees all around, and this place is really big. You can walk all day in the on the nature trail, run, do whatever you like, sit in tranquility and read books. This is beautiful, amazing. With this, it's a wrap for this vlog of Manali. I hope you digged it, and if you liked it, then definitely like it and subscribe for more content that will be coming. That will be surely coming. This channel is more about photography and videography, and travel would be something where I put those things into count, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks, bye bye.